What makes you thrive? Una, learning quickly. Bilis kang matuto. So, I ran a lot of leadership training and then we hold follow-through session with the leaders. Doon mo talaga, alam mo yung, baka hindi na makarelate yung iba, yung pag nagtatahip ka ng bigas, tapos humihiwalay yung pala, yung separating the grains from the chaff. Pagka yung nagpa-follow-through session, doon ko nakikita yung totoong leader. Doon sa na-promote lang. Kasi yung promotion mo doesn't automatically make you a leader. Your action makes you a leader. So what usually happens when we do follow-through session with our clients, kasi may program yun eh. The client will buy the entire program where we run the training, I meet a number of times with the participants to see if they're applying what they learned. At the end of the cycle, the leaders who learn quickly, na-apply na. Nagawa na. And may kwento na sila about, minentor ko si Geraldine or kinoach ko si Geraldine. Because of our partnership, I was able to help her get from this performance to this performance. It worked. No? So, learn quickly. So, learning quickly doesn't mean mabilis kang dumating sa training. No? Maaga, early bird. Hindi yon. Yung learning quickly is, pagkatapos ng training, may nagawa ka kagad. Na-apply mo agad.